Welcome back, guys. I am finally back. Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and like I promised, we're gonna do the engine rebuild on the Chevy Avalanche. So I have a clip of me going to Harbor Freight, and I ended up buying a engine stand, and I was looking for the shop crane. Couldn't find one. They were sold out. I called 4 different Harbor Freights. Every one of them were sold out. So I'll check tomorrow and see if they have one in stock, and I'll pick it up. So in the meantime, my friend and I were gonna start disassembling certain things in here to easily pull out the engine. We might take off the intake manifold, fuel rail, and everything in the truck, and then pull out the engine afterwards. But before I do that, I also want to turn the truck around to face the door area, only because I do not have a lot of room in this frontal area for the crane to really back up. So if I reverse the truck in and I need to pull the engine out with the crane, I can just lift up the door and like work my way outside with it and then pull it in here, push the truck out, and then I'll have the entire space of the shop to do the engine rebuild for you guys step by step, so you can see everything from the valve cover disassembly all the way down to the timing, head gaskets, and everything. Plus, we'll take out the 2 heads and the block to get machined. We'll change the piston rings. We'll change the cam bearings, the oil bearings. We'll change the oil pump, timing, sprocket gears, and cam gears, and whatever gears, and all the not bushings, all the, what do you call them? The gaskets and everything, rubber seals and whatnot. We're also going to change the rear main seal because we might as well while we're there, to ensure that this engine has no leaks in the future. We're going to clean out every ounce of mud that we find in there, and also we're going to end it by cleaning up the engine and spray painting it our favorite color. I want this truck to resemble the Iron Man theme, so we're going to probably paint everything gold on this engine and then plop it back in there. So I hope you guys enjoy this most possible 30-part series. I don't know how many parts. I'm just going with it for you guys, but I hope you guys do enjoy it, and we're gonna get started on this. I'm going to try to release a video for you guys every single night, but if I don't release it every single night and it happens to be a next day in between, it's because I'm trying to put in a lot of information and great quality for you guys in a short amount of video time. I do not want to make it like a 30-minute video where you're just sitting there and eventually you get bored to death, if you understand what I'm talking about. So I rather put the video in a condensed form, maybe 5 to 10 minutes tops, in a part series, and have as much information in there as possible for you guys. So I hope that you follow this. I hope that this will bring in more subscribers, and I also hope that you guys will comment in the comment section below and be very interactive in my videos. I would appreciate that, and like it, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hit that bell notification on top. And for up-to-date videos and photos, you can also hit up to CorollaCustoms.com, and you can see everything up there as well. And I'll be taking pictures along the way and posting it up on my Instagram, Facebook, and putting it up on the website. So I hope you guys really do follow this, and I hope you guys learn a lot, because I know I will, and we're gonna be in this together. So let's get started.